Morning, everybody. It is another beautiful sunny day. After that snowstorm, I just have been like in full prep mode. I have 7 days of full sun, so I need to relax. Anyways, I'm gonna film today because I've got a lot of little things that I want to build. The inside of my yurt is really coming along and I'm loving it. So I'm gonna get a couple things built for storage in there. If I get all that done, I think I might try to make a bed frame. If I get to that today, it might be a longer project. Yeah, just really trying to get as much things done before like the deep cold winter, and thinking of all the things that I'm going to need in case I get stuck up here or if I'm really freezing. So just get to work. So I'll bring you guys along with my like little day. I can't find my little nerdy glasses, so I'm gonna use these because I don't want any concrete or cement board shards in my eye, and this is kind of jumpy. So let's try this again. Woo! That was a mess. A mess indeed. I don't like it. I don't get it. I hate this cement board. Check out these gorgeous tiles I got in Baja. I'm going to make right where my kind of cooker is. I don't need this much backer board, but it's going to be the whole backing just in case. And I'm going to make a little backsplash zone right where the cooker is. I knew that would happen. Gosh dang it. I didn't realize that you can't really screw into cement board. I don't get what its use is, how you assemble it to things. I mean, I know its use, I just don't get how you assemble it. So, ditch the cement board. I'm going straight up OSB. Whatevs. Might catch on fire, but it's okay. I'll be there to stop it. Anyways, gonna continue on. Thank God no one is out here listening to me. They'd be like, you're crazy. She's crazy. I'm gonna have to cut all this out or I leave it and y'all realize, y'all can see how weird I am. Whoa. You snooze, you lose. What? Don't need you right now. I need you. Wait. Oh, me. I meant to do it on the other side. Like that one. Hole. Gosh dang it. I measured wrong because I was being fucking weird. Damn, on a dude. Va bene, facciamo un altro. Alright, let's get this right. A 32 and a half. 32 and a half. Let's draw this again, mother. Ah! Come on. No. Por favor. Por favor, no. No. It's stripped. No. Basta. Bellissimo. Mamma mia, ma dai, veramente. Damn it, on it. It's stripped. How do I get this out? Come on. Ok. Come facciamo l'altra parte? Non ho capito. Might have to Google it. All right, after my mess of a work day, I completed this little backboard with shelves, and yeah, I'm super stoked on it. forget about you. Do you guys remember in the very first episode, I was trying to cut down a tree with an axe and I gave up. And I was like, I'll cut it down later. When my brother gets here, he can teach me how to fell a tree and with a chainsaw, and that'll be great. Well, that didn't happen. He went ahead and cut it anyways, which was awesome because I needed some more trees down. It's behind me and I'm still going to make that clothing rack out of it. So that's what we're going to do today. It's already down. Sadly, I really took the axe to it when it didn't need it, but it came down either way. So let's build this little rack. I'm going to cut off the length that I want with my skill saw, and then I'm going to try to find a debarker. I don't really know what it's called, but something that like takes the bark off with my brother's primitive tools. So we'll see what I can find and we'll get this up. That'll be nice. Ah, here she is. Okay. Found it. I knew he had one. Perfect. Woo. I need a setup station, don't I? So I got it down, I cut the ends off, and I got it down to the length that I want, and I debarked the majority of it. I'm gonna take a sander to it now to really get it super clean so my clothes don't get all these little bark scrapings, which probably would be fine, but yeah, just get it nice and super clean. And then I'm gonna try to find a drill bit. What are they called? The ones that make holes. I forget the name of it, but the paddle bit, try to make a hole through it so I can put a rope in it and hang it. So we'll see how it goes, but this is it. Not bad. Morning. Beautiful day. It's only getting hotter, which is amazing. And then it'll drop in like 3 days. My goal is to possibly build a little dry room for extra canned food and food storage, summer clothes, because I have quite a bit of clothes. Yeah, just like a dry storage room. I'm gonna do that today, hopefully. I don't know, I'm ADD, so I might change my mind once I get down there. Or I am thinking about reorganizing the whole shed. My brother and I, in our first video or second video, I forget, we made this like temporary shed for the weather. But it's such a pain to get into and it's such a mess right now. So I kind of want to take it all apart and build something more structural for the winter that will hold all the tools. So just join me and we'll see what I end up doing. I'm going to finish my breakfast. I don't know if that was smart or not. Whoopsies. I did it, Ruko. So, that's one wall. Gotta go get more 2x4s. Let me get some snacks. Like a glove. Sorry. There were people just horseback riding by, and Ruko just scared the shit out of the horses, sadly. I'm so proud. I did it. After all the frustration today, I freaking pulled it off. So I'm going to get all my tools loaded back in, the mess that I made, and get it organized so I can now have a clean, organized work environment. I'm so proud. Hi guys, good morning. Let me get you all ready. Today my project is an outdoor kitchen setup, if you will. And I know in the winter it's going to be too cold to be out here, but having additional like storage and yeah, it's just going to be super helpful. And I need a sink. I don't have a sink. I've just been boiling water and sitting on the ground and doing my dishes. And I just want to have like a standing up sink setup. And even if it's still, I'm boiling water, at least I can like stand up and do dishes instead of, yeah, it's just been a full camp zone and I'm ready to not be like that anymore. Anyways, I'm going to be building this outdoor kitchen today. So yeah, let's get started. You guys want to know what I love more than anything is thinking, oh, I have a piece that's around that size. I might only have to cut a couple inches off. It's the perfect exact size, like length and width. Just the small things that make your day, you know what I mean? So there's no cutting. It's just great. So I had to share. You guys, I just had to share another win that I had for the day. So the screws that I have are way too long. They're just for me building this deck. I didn't think about picking up any shorter screws. Going to now, but my brother has like a miscellaneous screw box. I think a lot of people do who build things. And I just found literally the perfect size screw, the perfect amount for this project. And I'm just lots of wins already today. So I just had to share again that I have the right screws. I have the right pieces cut already. The sun is coming out. Things are just going really good. Okay, that's it. I mean, I'm gonna get a level. She had some blocking, but it's pretty good. I don't understand why it's a little off. I went ahead and cut the hole out for the sink as well. I know it'll change, but for now, I'm just going to use the one I have, and it'll only get bigger. Oh! Look at her. She's a little off, but she'll do. Wow. Would you look at her? Guys, I'm so proud. I can sit here and cook now when the weather's nice, and or it's gonna be dry storage. It's just also great. The slope's a little intense. Probably didn't need to go this slopey, but you know, it's all right. Bye. Okay, I'm pretty stoked. I have not even cleaned up my construction zone, but I just have to share that I can finally wash dishes while standing up and having like a proper sink. And this is the best feeling ever. It's been 1 month with me just doing it on the ground. So welcome to my temporary setup. I know it's going to be tough when winter hits, but I don't know. I mean, maybe I'll do this in the winter. Who knows? But I have my little setup and I'm just so freaking happy. I won't let you watch me do dishes, so I'll turn you off. I just had to share what I was doing. I've completed it all. I spent the day just kind of organizing everything, but this is it. I've got everything hung up, my little temporary sink, all my goodies. I've organized all my canned goods and everything. I still need to figure that out, but eventually I think I'm going to put like a curtain along here so you can hide all that underneath there and build some shelves. But all in all, I'm extremely happy, and now my deck is like nice and organized, which is amazing. I'm gonna call it for the day and just enjoy. I might try to take a little shower, boil some water, and do a little outdoor shower bath, which would be nice. And yeah, we'll see what I feel like doing tomorrow. I think tomorrow's another hot day, which is great. Sunny, hot day, so I'm going to take advantage of that and try to get some more things done. So yeah. Thanks again, guys. Stay tuned for next week's episode. I take on yet again another project and prepare for my first snow. I'm so excited to share with you all. See you guys next week.